Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Tanwer. I am from Haryana. I have completed my graduation in Computer Science and Engineering from Gurugram University. Right after my graduation, I was eager to build a strong career in IT industry. That's when I joined Evision Technosol's online full-day job internship program, and that decision turned out to be one of the best steps in my career. During the internship, I got hands-on training in multiple technologies like networking, visualization, Windows Server, Windows Administrator, CCNA, Cybersecurity Basics, ITIL, and also got interview preparation sessions. The trainer and the mentor at Evision were extremely helpful, knowledgeable, and supportive. The training wasn't just technical, it helped me build confidence, develop a professional mindset, and prepare me for real interviews. I am very happy to share that I have secured a job in Alchemy Technsol, India Private Limited. Uh, I give a lot of credit to Evision Technosol. The support, guidance, and training I received made all the difference. They helped me transform from a fresher into a confident, job-ready IT professional. So, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank Evision Technosol and all the staff to help me get through this journey. Thank you.